also out of Muskogee. In the 7, out of Yukon, Oklahoma, is Brandon Hogard. And the white TT1 of Michael Wiseman out of Muskogee, Oklahoma, to his outside. The 79, out of Pecola, Oklahoma, is Alan Owen. Rodney. In the 9 is Wade Palmer out of Adair. And in the 44 is Steve Jennings. Your field of cars for this first heat race of the evening. Great flag on top of the flag stand. Johnsonville lets it go. Palmer's away outside around the DT1 of Michael Wiseman. He's looking for the lead early in this one. Drops the ball around the 83. And he'll get second. Dibble will fall to third. That's the 79 of Alan Owen, last week's winner. Actually, 2 weeks ago winner. Takes a look, no. The 33 fights back, man. That's turn 4 with the first. Owen tries to box that out of turn 2. He'll get the spot away after running from 33 of Smith. And Jennings is going to take it off track. Call it an early heat race. Wade Palmer